How to use Hik Connect service on iVMS 4200. Preparation. Please download and install the latest version of iVMS 4200 software from official website on your computer. Please run iVMS 4200, then go to Device Management. Click Add New Device Type. Select Hik Connect device and click OK. Click Hik Connect device on the list to log in with Hik Connect account and password. Click Group tab to enter the group management page. Select Camera from the resource list. Click Modify to pop up the Modify Camera dialog. Input the verification code which is created when enable the Hik Connect service. The stream key is the same with the verification code. Then go to Main View. Click and drag the camera to the display window.